It's like we're living in the future, isn't it? AI writing poems, creating art, even diagnosing diseases. It's incredible and, honestly, a bit mind-blowing how fast it's all happening.
It really is. And the thing is, it's not just some far-off thing. AI is already having a real impact on our lives right now.
Exactly. That's what we're diving into today, the actual ways AI is changing things for you and me right here, right now.
Yeah. We're going to explore the basics, of course.
So we're also going beyond that, getting into how AI is being used in the real world.
And then, of course, we have to talk about the big question.
Like what happens to jobs?
Mhm.
And, is it ethical? All those concerns people have.
Absolutely. We'll cover all that. And we'll even get into how AI is changing creativity and what it means for the future of, well, pretty much everything.
Sounds like a plan. So let's jump right in. I think one of the things that always gets people's attention is this idea of AI being creative,
Mhm.
you know?
Yes.
AI writing like Shakespeare or
Yeah.
composing music or painting like Van Gogh.
Yeah, there are some really impressive tools out there.
ChatGPT, for instance. I actually played around with it the other day, had to help me write a thank you note.
Oh, interesting. What'd you think?
I was blown away. The writing was so human-like. But how does it even work?
So imagine you could feed a computer every book ever written.
Okay, that's a lot of books.
That's basically the idea behind ChatGPT. It's a type of AI called machine learning. The system analyzes tons and tons of data, looking for patterns in language.
Okay, so it's basically learning how we write.
Exactly. And then it uses what it's learned to generate new text that sounds like a person wrote it. And it's not just limited to writing.
Right.
There's Midjourney, which can create images from just text prompts. You just describe what you want to see, and it creates it.
It's wild. So beyond these creative applications, what other areas is AI making a big impact in? I know healthcare is a big one.
It is. One of the most exciting things is how AI is being used to analyze medical images. Things like X-rays and scans.
And they can do it better than humans.
Well, it can definitely do it faster and often with a higher level of accuracy, which can be a huge help for doctors. They can catch diseases earlier and make better decisions about treatment.
Makes sense. And what about those AI virtual assistants I've heard about?
Oh, right. There are AI-powered assistants that can answer basic medical questions, schedule appointments, even provide personalized health advice.
So it sounds like AI is actually freeing up doctors to focus on more complex cases and spend more time with their patients,
Right. It's not about replacing doctors, but about giving them better tools.
which makes a lot of sense. But let's be honest, whenever we talk about AI, the question of jobs always comes up. Are robots coming to steal our jobs? It's a bit unsettling.
It's a valid concern, but I think the reality is more complex than that. AI will definitely automate some tasks, things that are repetitive or data heavy.
So some jobs will be lost.
Probably.
Yeah.
But AI also has the potential to create entirely new jobs, jobs we can't even imagine yet. Think about the internet way back when. Nobody predicted social media managers or app developers back then.
Sure.
So it's not just about jobs disappearing, it's about the types of jobs changing. The key is going to be adaptability, being willing to learn new skills.
So instead of being afraid of AI, we should be thinking about how to work with it.
Exactly. As AI takes over those routine tasks, humans can focus on more creative, strategic thinking, problem solving, the things AI isn't so good at least not yet.
I like that perspective. It's not about humans versus robots. It's about humans and robots working together. Like I was reading about a musician who's using AI to help him write melodies, and then he takes those melodies and incorporates them into his own compositions.
Wow, that's so cool.
It really is. It's like having a creative partner who can come up with endless ideas.
I love that analogy, and it really speaks to the potential of AI to enhance creativity.
Yeah. It can help us break through creative blocks, explore new ideas, maybe even discover new ways of thinking about our work. Think about writers using AI to analyze their style and improve their writing, or artists using AI to experiment with different colors and compositions. The possibilities are pretty much endless.
They really are.
So I guess the big takeaway here is that AI is already a major force in our world, and it's only going to become more influential.
Definitely.
It's changing everything from the arts to healthcare, and the future of work is definitely evolving, but it's not about being replaced by robots. It's about learning to adapt and finding ways to collaborate with AI to do amazing things.
And I think what's really exciting is the potential for AI to help us tackle some of the biggest challenges facing humanity.
Oh, absolutely. Like AI could help develop new medical treatments, find solutions to climate change, or even help us explore the universe. It's incredible to think about.
It is. But the key is to make sure we're using AI responsibly, ethically. We need to make sure it benefits everyone, not just a select few.
That's a really important point.
Yeah.
So for everyone listening, maybe this is something to think about. How could you use AI tools to enhance your own life or your work? There are so many resources out there, and it's never been easier to start exploring and experimenting. Who knows what you might discover?
That's the exciting part. We're really just at the beginning of this AI journey. Who knows where it'll take us, but one thing's for sure, it's going to be an interesting ride.
Well said. And that's our deep dive for today. Thanks for joining us.
Thanks for having me.
Until next time, keep exploring, keep learning, and stay curious about the incredible world of AI.